Okay, it's a beautiful day. This is a 2014 Toyota Rav4. Today we're going to replace the front brake pads. It got 50,000 miles on it already, or 60. And I'm going to use the Power Stop Evolution for 35 bucks from Amazon. And this one is Z17 ceramic. 17-1211. Let's see if it fits. It does come with all of the shims and stuff. Place the front. We're going to jack up the front left. We're going to block the rear right to make sure that it won't roll. And the handbrakes is an LE version. We need to remove this. So I don't know. Normally we use this. Let's see if it come out. Slowly. So I want to keep it straight. All right. So here's the wheel. The lug is 21 millimeter. Oh, it doesn't look like you have a really good place to jack over here. So I want to jack right in there. Okay, so if you don't have the impact driver, you're supposed to loosen it before you jack up the car. So this one is 1/2 inch impact wrench from Rav4. I've been using it for a long time. Okay, so it's out. This is the brakes, and it's really wear out. Yeah, it's worn out to the end already. That's pretty good. But there's no pad wear indicator of some kind. Normally we remove this, lift this up, and remove the pads. So there's two nut over here. Bolt 1 and 2. So normally I remove this one and lift it up. Again, this is the way I do it. If you find better way, please follow those. Okay, so the bolt is a number 14. So we're going to open this one and loosen this a little bit, and then we're going to lift it up. So we also need a 17 to hold it, and then use the 14 to open it. Okay, so this is how it works. So when you remove the bolt, this is a 14 millimeter, and you just lift this up. Now the pads are there for us to take it out. All we need to do is remove this, push it all the way out. So this is how we do it. Okay, pull it all the way out and twist it, and you can take it out. So let's remove this one the same way. Yep, there you go. So these are all worn out. That's pretty good. The question is, do we really want to replace this or leave the original one there since it's good? I always like the original one. So now if you see, the piston is all the way out. There's two ways you can do this. You can use the tools, or you put it back in here with the shim with the brake pads on it, and then press it, right? But you have a tool, so so if you're gonna do brakes at home, get this caliper tool set from Rav4. It's the best. I've been using it so many times, and it pays off. This is the tool set. Now we need this one, and put it in here like that. Okay, so this is the tool right here. Okay, so this is the plate, and this is the block. So when it's done, all we need to do is to turn it. It will push it in. You see that? It's pushing it in. So the new brake pads are thick, so we need to push it in. So it go all the way in, so we can put the new pads. See that? Do it slowly. Okay. Make sure, slowly but surely. Okay, so it's done. Okay, so there's a difference between the two. So this one, the original one, is smaller. Both the width and the length. Okay, since we can't reorder from Amazon, we went to AutoZone and we get this one, since everything's already open. One thing I noticed is that 17-1211. This one is D1210. Okay? So if you get the power stop 1210, it should fit, because this one is for the bigger disc, and this is for the original disc here. And even you enter it in correctly at Amazon, they still send you this. The difference between the Duralast and the power stop is they don't give you any shims, but we can use the original one, which is fine. We always change it. We have to put this one back in place, and this is the way it's supposed to be. Okay, both of them. Okay, so we put the back in first, okay, and make sure this tab, this lock here, is on the top. So this way. Make sure. So this is the back side. Hopefully I can get it. Alright. Okay, push it all the way down. Like that. And then push this in. So it's locked in place. Alright. So we also put the backing of the old one on it. Now we're going to close it down. Yep, it has to be. You got to adjust. Okay, should be in very nicely. Okay, tighten everything and it should be done. Okay, so this is the right side. We're going to remove this one and then lift it up the same way as the other side. Wow, this side is too short. We cannot pull all the way up because of this cable here. So it looks like we have to remove this one too. So this one we have to remove the whole caliper because of the fluid hose is too short. Okay. Compressing. Okay. I do want to get all the dirt out. Okay, so this side is also done. Check the brake oil and make sure it's close to max, so it's good. Put everything back drive and make many erupted stops to make sure the brake pads are seated in place.